all the 11th graders, welcome to Planet Spark. Here we are learning the chapter probability. I am Nidhi and I'm back with the next concept here. Last video में हमने probability start किया everybody and that we have understood different events there, right? How to find the intersection, how to find the union, right? All of that and different kind of events also there. आज हम बात करेंगे probability of a single and combined events there. Okay, let's get started everyone. चलिए डेफिनेशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. व्हाट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी? यस एवरीबॉडी, chances or we can say likelihood of an event to occur, right? So probability of an event E can be written as favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, right? फेवरेबल आउटकम्स क्या होंगे? वो आउटकम्स जो इवेंट ई में हैं. दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स और नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स इन द इवेंट ई. टोटल आउटकम्स हमने कहाँ डाले हैं? एक सेट बनाया है दैट वी कॉल एज द सैंपल स्पेस, राइट? सो वी कैन से नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन एस देयर. सो वी कैन से द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट ई इज नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन ई अपॉन नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन एस, राइट? ई में कौन से एलिमेंट्स हैं? फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, और एस में है all the possible outcomes there. अब chances vary कहाँ से कहाँ कर सकते हैं, right? Something to happen, chances can be 0% अगर वो नहीं होगा, or if we know it will certainly happen, chances can be 100% and everything in between. 40% chances, 50% chances and so on, right? 0% means 0 upon 100, that is 0. 100 upon 100, that is 1. So probability, chances, likelihood can vary from 0 to 1. That's why we have here that probability of any event can vary from 0 to 1. Equality is there at both ends. Okay, so 0 less than equal to probability of E less than equal to 1 there. Okay, probability of impossible event. Last video में भी हमने discuss किया था. Impossible event means it will not happen. उसकी probability क्या होगी? 0. और certain event की probability क्या होगी? 1. Then now very important fact here, sum of all probabilities in a sample space. Sample space की अगर हम बात करें, let's say in case of tossing a coin, sample space में हमारे पास H and T दो outcomes होंगे, heads and tails. Heads की probability क्या है? 1/2, right? Favorable outcome 1, total number of outcomes 2. Similarly, getting a tail, what is the probability of that? Favorable outcome 1, total outcomes 2, 1/2. Add करो दोनों को, 1/2 plus 1/2 that is equal to 1. So sample space में जितने भी outcomes हैं उन सब की probabilities को अगर हम add करेंगे that will always give us 1. Remember that. Same we can take for a dice also. Okay. Sample space क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability of getting 1 everybody? Favorable outcome 1 कि एक आना चाहिए. Total number of outcomes 6. So 1/6. सब की probability क्या होगी? 1/6. कितनी बार है 1/6? 6 बार. Add करेंगे तो 6 into 1/6 that is equal to 1. So sum of all the probabilities is again 1 here. Okay. Then next important thing to notice is all outcomes are equally likely. जब भी हम probability find out करने की बात करेंगे, कुछ assumptions हम लेके चलते हैं everyone, that is all the outcomes are equally likely. क्योंकि अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा then we cannot find the probability, right? Again weighted चीज़ें होंगी और some of the events are more likely to happen, some outcomes are more likely to be there, right? In that case it will become very difficult to find it. So ये assumption है हमारे पास that equally likely all the outcomes are there. That is when we are tossing a coin, head और tail दोनों आने के chances same है. Both the outcomes are equally likely. In this case all the 6 outcomes are equally likely. That means सबके आने के chances बराबर है. Then count outcomes systematically. Systematically हम count करते हैं outcomes को. That is this can happen, this can happen. These are the outcomes that are possible there. Okay. चलिए जी. That's why in the question also sometimes you can see these words, a fair coin, a fair die. That means सारे outcomes equally likely हैं. देन स्पेशल प्रोबेबिलिटीज देयर, इम्पॉसिबल और श्योर इवेंट की ऑलरेडी हमें पता है, 0 and 1 देयर. Next, some qualified conditions are there. That is, when we see the word at least, let's say in case of throwing dice there, at least 4, the outcome is at least 4. At least मतलब कम से कम ये और इससे ज़्यादा. That means that value or higher values. So if I'm saying at least 4 in case of a die, okay, that means 4 हो सकता है या इससे बड़ी वैल्यू, दैट कैन बी 5 और 6 इन केस ऑफ अ डाई. ओके, देन एट मोस्ट मीन्स ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, दिस इज द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल वैल्यू, इससे कम हो चलेगा, राइट. सो दैट वैल्यू और लोअर, सो इफ आई हैव एट मोस्ट 4 मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4, इससे कम चलेगा मेरे को, ज़्यादा नहीं. सो 3, 2 and 1. These values are acceptable values there. Exactly means only that value. Exactly 4 means सिर्फ 4 होना चाहिए outcome में. Okay. Then the complement rule. What do we know about complement events, everybody? If I have an event E, then उसके complement में all those outcomes will be there from the sample space which are not there in E. Okay. अब इनकी probabilities की अगर हम बात करें, probability of event E is P of E. We know probability of the sample space is 1. Sum of all the probabilities is 1. पूरा sample space ले लेंगे, possible outcomes, total number of outcomes same है, probability क्या होगी 1. So complement की probability यहाँ से क्या आएगी, probability of E complement, that will be probability of sample space minus probability of E, that is 1 minus the probability of E. That is the relationship. Remember that. Probability of A complement is 1 minus probability of A. Right? Complement को हम एक और तरीके से लिखते हैं, that is not A. A complement means not A. जो A में नहीं है. E complements mean not E. Probability of not E. In that case also I can write it. So let's take this example. Not a face card. What is the probability of not a face card? 1 minus the probability of face cards. That's it in case of deck of cards. Right, everyone? चलिए then. Next we have additional rule of probability. Addition कैसे करते हैं? Okay, this we'll understand with the help of Venn diagram again. Okay, probability में Venn diagram helps us a lot. So A and B. This is representing the intersection, right? यूनियन की अगर हम बात करें, A यूनियन B. ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. यूनियन में क्या एलिमेंट्स होंगे हमारे पास? A के सारे एलिमेंट्स, ओके, एंड B के सारे एलिमेंट्स. सो व्हेन आई एम पुटिंग देम टुगेदर, डू यू सी दिस शेडेड पार्ट इज कमिंग देयर ट्वाइस, राइट? 2 बार काउंट कर रही हूं मैं इस शेडेड स्पेस को. Shaded space is representing A intersection B. So when I am taking A union B, that means A और B कि या तो वो चीज़ A में हो या B में हो, चलेगा. Okay. So in that case I am taking everything that is in A, then I am taking everything that is in B. अब set में हम repeat नहीं करते हैं value, right? If some value is there in A also, B also, together in the union set we write them once. Okay, so ये जो चीज़ें हमने 2 बार काउंट की हैं, एक बार इन्हें हटाना पड़ेगा. So for that we subtract A intersection B. Okay, same thing hold for number of elements. Okay, and same relationship hold for the probabilities. Probability of A union B, A और B क्या होगी? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. क्यों subtract करेंगे? क्योंकि वो A में भी है, B में भी है, तो 2 बार काउंट हो रहे हैं वो आउटकम्स जो दोनों में हैं, राइट? सो एक बार हटाना पड़ेगा. चलिए, A यूनियन B का मतलब, यूनियन मीन्स और, A और B अकर्स, A हो जाए B हो जाए, वी आर फाइन विद आइदर. ओके, इंटरसेक्शन का मतलब है एंड, A and B both occurs, दोनों होने चाहिए, both condition should be there. Okay, then mutually exclusive, जहाँ पे एक event can occur at a time. दैट मीन्स कॉमन कुछ नहीं होगा. सो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी, 0. और वी कैन से सेट की बात करें ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, दैट विल बी अ नल सेट. ओके, नाउ फिर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट्स, जब ए इंटरसेक्शन बी की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 हो जाएगी, दिस इज 0, सो व्हाट आर वी लेफ्ट विद, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी. सो वी कैन से इन दैट केस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी विल बी व्हाट, probability of A plus probability of B. Okay, now we know probability कोई भी हो, union की हो, intersection की हो, single events की हो, that will vary from 0 to 1. Okay, subset की अगर हम बात करें, let's say A is a subset of B. In that case also let's see the Venn diagram. This is B और इसका एक subset है A. In that case probability of A union B क्या होगी, A यूनियन B की अगर हम बात करें, that will come out to be, yes, all of this which is actually set B, right? That means that will be equal to probability of B only, right? So सबसेट के केस में जो बड़ा सेट होता है उसी की probability हमारे पास आ जाती है in the end, because उनका यूनियन क्या होगा, the बड़ा वाला सेट. Okay, चलिए जी. Okay, next one. Now, mutually exclusive events, that means the events that cannot occur together, एक साथ नहीं हो सकते, either A will happen or B will happen. That means कुछ common नहीं है दोनों में. Common नहीं है को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, A intersection B is empty, null set. So probability उसकी क्या होगी, 0. और we can say A union B की probability क्या होगी, probability of A plus probability of B. Then we have complementary events. We know if A is an event, उसका complement होगा A dash, or we can say not A, right? For them, we know the relationship. Probability of A complement is 1 minus probability of A. Or we can say event और उसके complement की probability का sum क्या होगा? That will be 1. Probability of A plus probability of A complement. That is equal to 1. Then एडिशन रूल अगर तीन सेट के केसेस में, तीन इवेंट के केसेस में अगर हम देखें, देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी कैन बी रिटन एज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सी माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन सी एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी इंटरसेक्शन सी प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस ऑल्सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ वेन डायग्राम. ओके, अब तीन सेट्स हैं हमारे पास, A, B and C. Okay, let's look at the common portions. A और B में क्या common है? This is the region. So this is A intersection B. Then बात करते हैं B और C के common part की, right? This is common. This is B intersection C. Then let's see A intersection C, right? A और C में क्या common है? This A intersection C. Now look at the shaded region in all the three cases. उसमें भी कुछ common portion आ रहा है हमारे पास. That is, some region is here which is actually common in all three of them. So इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे everybody? That is A intersection B intersection C, right? तीनों का common portion. So when we are taking A union B union C, that is all of this region, everything that is there in all the three sets. Repeated parts को हटाना पड़ेगा, तो A plus B plus C minus A intersection B minus B intersection C minus C intersection A, right? Common part हमने हटाया, तो ये जो पार्ट है ये हमने कितनी बार सब्ट्रैक्ट किया विच इज कॉमन इन ऑल थ्री ऑफ देम? 3 बार. रिपीट कितनी बार हो रहा है? 2 बार. 3 बार हटा दिया तो 1 बार ऐड करना पड़ेगा सो दैट वी कैन स्टिल कीप इट. वी कांट गेट रिड ऑफ इट कम्प्लीटली. एक बार तो हमें चाहिए ना ये कॉमन पार्ट. दैट्स वाई वी एडेड इट वंस एट द एंड प्लस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी. ठीक है, ये पार्ट चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये 3 पार्ट चाहिए और ये भी चाहिए. All these parts we need once. Okay, chaliye then. Okay then everybody. Next one, now the key properties. We know probability varies from 0 to 1. and this property also we did here. And in case of subsets, okay, if A is a subset of B, then probabilities को अगर हम compare करें, probability of A will be less than equal to probability of B, right? subset है मतलब number of elements part होंगे B का, right? या तो equal होंगे या part हो सकता है, कम elements हैं, that means the probability will be less, right everybody? चलिए, now we have questions. Okay. A bag contains 5 red marbles, 3 blue marbles and 2 green marbles. What is the probability of drawing a red marble? Okay, probability of red marble. How do we find it? Favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes are red marbles कितने हैं? 5. Total number of outcomes, सारे marbles, right? That is 5 plus 3 plus 2. 5 upon 10. Simplify करेंगे आंसर को. 1 over 2 is the right answer. Next question. A die is rolled. What is the probability of getting a number? At most 4. What is the meaning of at most 4 everybody? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4, इससे छोटा नंबर चलेगा, इससे बड़ा नहीं चलेगा. That means probability that the number is less than or equal to 4. Maximum 4. So 4 से छोटे क्या नंबर है हमारे पास? 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Equality is also there. So probability of getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in case of rolling a die. Favorable outcomes 4. Total number of outcomes 6 there. So probability is 2 over 3. That is the right answer. Chaliye, next one. From a standard deck of 52 cards, what is the probability of not getting a face card? Easy way क्या है find out करने का? Let's find the probability of face cards. We know face cards are king, queen and jack. एक suit में 3 face cards. So in all the 4 suits, 4 into 3 total 12 face cards, right everybody? So probability of getting a face card is favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, so probability of not a face card, इसका complement event है, not a face card. So probability of complement event, right, not face card is 1 minus probability of face card, getting a face card, right? So 1 minus 12 over 52. That is 40 over 52. Simplify कर देंगे last step में and that will be our answer. Okay, चलिए जी, next question. In a class survey, 40% students like math, 30% like science and 10% like both. तो लिख लेते हैं, chances हैं, right? Percentages given है. 40% means 40 over 100. That means 0.4. So probability that a student likes math is 0.4. Probability that a student like science is 0.3. And the probability that it likes both, that means math and science, and means intersection. For that the probability is 10% or we can say 0.1. We have to find the probability that it likes either math or science. Or in math means, yes everybody, probability में और का मतलब क्या है? Union. So probability of math union science. We know how addition works here. That is equal to probability of M plus probability of S minus probability of M intersection S. All the values we have here, plug them in there and we have our answer. So that is 0.4 plus 0.3 minus 0.1. 0.6, or we can say 60% students like math or science. Okay, next question. Chaliye. When rolling a die, what is the probability of getting either a 2 or a 3? 2 or 3. 2 आए तो भी चलेगा, 3 आए तो भी चलेगा. चलिए, probabilities favorable outcomes है 2 and 3. कितने हैं? 2. Total outcomes, yes, sample space. Total outcomes हैं 6. So what is the probability here? 1/3. Next one. A card is drawn from standard deck. What is the probability of getting either a red card or a face card? So probability of red or face card. Okay. So how many red cards are there everybody? 2 सूट हैं red के हमारे पास. 13 plus 13, 26 cards. Okay. Face cards की अगर हम बात करें, how many face cards are there? 3 face card in each suit, right? So face cards हैं total 12. Common कितने हैं? That is red face cards. Yes everybody. Jack, Queen and King. 2 suits में 3 into 2, that is 6. Okay. So from here probability of getting red cards 26/52. Probability of getting face cards 12/52. Probability of red and face cards R intersection F is 6/52. Got it? Now red or a face card, or means union. So probability of R union F, that we know is equal to probability of R plus probability of F minus probability of R intersection F. All the values we have here, so plug them in here. 26/52 plus 12/52 minus 6/52. (32/52). Simplify it in the last step and we have our answer. So quickly tell me in the comments everybody what will be the answer here. Okay, next. Okay, now we have the summary. Let's summarize what we learnt here today. Probability की definition हमने समझी. What is probability of an event? Number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. That is number of elements in E upon number of elements in the sample space. Okay. Then क्या conditional phrases हमने पढ़े? At least, at most and exactly one. We know probability varies from 0 to 1. Impossible event है तो probability 0, certain event है तो probability 1 and sum of all the probabilities in the sample space is equal to 1. Very very important. Then A union B, the addition rule, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Union means or, intersection means and. Okay. Then okay, different examples we did there. Mutually exclusive events के लिए intersection क्या होगा? 0 because null set है वो. Okay. Okay then. Then about complementary events, probability of A complement is 1 minus probability of A. Similarly for 3 events addition को अगर हम लिखेंगे then this will be the rule. Okay everybody. So that was all in probability for today. Thank you for joining. I will see you the next time. Stay tuned.